Hi, this is Ross with DIY on the House. Today we're going to be changing filters on a Kenmore. I had to look at it. A Kenmore refrigerator. It has a water filter and it also has an air cleaning filter. So we're going to go ahead and swap those out, and you'll see just how simple it is. You don't need no need to hire somebody. These systems are very consumer friendly. So we'll go ahead and swap it. It shouldn't take a minute. Things first, we're going to go ahead and change the air filter. That's all that was a quarter turn, and that thing popped right off. Okay, so that was just a quarter turn to the left. Okay, on the back side we have the filter, and we're just going to take our finger in there, pop that out, and we're going to put our new filter in, and put that back in the fridge. Boom, done. That fast. Okay, so next is the water filter. Go ahead and pop that out of the box. I have the filter cartridge right here. So what we're going to do, this is a fairly simple process. Push here, as it says on the deal. Pull the cartridge down, pull it out, take our new filter, push it in. Okay, insert the cartridge while it's in the down position into the deal, and then just basically just push up on the housing here, and then we're going to take a little rag here, get rid of that, any little water drips, push this back up, and we're going to go ahead and reset everything. Okay, the secret on this, I did run into a little issue that there was a shelf right here, and the door actually wouldn't come all the way down to allow this cartridge to travel far enough to get it out of the housing. So once that was down, it allowed that the cartridge had two little wings on it. Once it allowed that, it allowed it to clear this part right here, and then it just popped straight out. And vice versa, just stuck it back in, pushed hard, pushed it back up, and that was it. So mainly the big ticket was just getting this shelf out of the way so that the housing door could come down. On the front panel of the refrigerator, there's a couple resets. It says for the air filter, it says filter reset, hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It's gone. Water filter reset, hold for 3 seconds. Done. That is it. So I'm going to go ahead and run a little, probably go ahead and get rid of about 2 quarts of water to get it through that filter. And that's it. It's simple. So I hope that helped you out on how easy it is actually to change the air filter and the water filter on the Kenmore Elite. A lot of these filter systems on these refrigerators are on the interior of the compartment. Just follow the directions. If something's in the way, remove a shelf if you have to. Just make sure there's room to clear everything. And after you're done, reset. Run some water through it so you're not getting that first taste of the plastic and food manufacturing. So I hope this helped you. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, we appreciate it. And as always, if you don't mind, subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate you watching.